Okay. Hi, everyone. It seems that we are now online. So, thanks for joining us again. Today, the workshop is going to be about ONLYOFFICE Groups, which is a collaboration platform by ONLYOFFICE that got a new name and some new and exciting features, as well as a new license. Let me introduce our today's host. It's our support manager, Alina, who is going to show you how to work with the new features in version 11, including new features in control panel, using Telegram for notifications, spreadsheet filtering permission, and more. Let me say a couple of words about ONLYOFFICE Groups first. It's a bundle of productivity apps that include document management and sharing system, project management tools, a corporate email, CRM, calendars and social platform, but blogs, wiki, discussions, and other communication tools. Since version 11, ONLYOFFICE collaboration platform got its new name, Groups, and also a new license. It always has been open source, but now we use Apache license instead of GPL, which means that you can freely distribute, change, rebrand, and extend the platform as you wish. This is some great news for community edition users, especially as with this update, control panel became available to everyone for free. A little bit more about the control panel you can learn in the workshop. So ONLYOFFICE Groups is a component of ONLYOFFICE Workspace and available in all of its editions. So ready to learn more about the latest version? Now let's proceed to the demonstration.
Yeah, thank you, Michael. Hello, everyone. My name is Alina, and today I will show you all the updates available in the latest version of ONLYOFFICE Collaboration Platform. At the end of my presentation, I will answer your questions if you have any, so feel free to ask them in the online chat. Okay, the new version of ONLYOFFICE Collaboration Platform brings some data security implements, improved user security, and some new abilities. First of all, the release of ONLYOFFICE Collaboration Platform is important in terms of data security and safety. And I think I should start with the settings, which are available both in cloud and server portals, which you can use to keep your data in safety. Well, the first one is password strength settings. Please note that in the new version, the minimal password length was increased up to 8 symbols. You can also use capital letters, digits, and special characters in order to make a strong password. You can also enable two-factor authentication, trusted mail domain settings, IP security, and session lifetime. Now let's move to the control panel and speak about document protection. And we'll introduce you on new features, private room, and storage encryption. In this webinar, I will only give a brief explanation of what those features are, and I recommend you to watch the webinar, which is available on our YouTube channel. It's called Encryption in ONLYOFFICE by Michael Kuratayev. I recommend you to watch it and learn how the encryption is realized in ONLYOFFICE. Well, private rooms. Private room is a special section in the Documents module. It's designed to provide a secure environment for document editing and represents a protected workplace where every symbol is encrypted. This functionality is available only in paid server version, and desktop application version 5.6 or higher is required to use private rooms. Here I can create documents, spreadsheets, presentations, and folders and upload them from my computer. I can edit them, share with other users, and collaborate on documents. Another feature is storage encryption. Here it is. This feature is available both for open source and paid servers. server versions, and it allows you to encrypt all files on the hard disk. By the way, let me tell you a few words about the control panel menu, as it was customized to be a little. As you can see, settings were divided into common and portal. New features added, like private rooms and storage encryption, and branding page was divided into basic, where you can insert the company name and upload your logo picture, and advanced page where you can input the company info settings and additional resources. Okay, we're also glad to announce a new unique feature, access level for sharing. It's named custom filter, and it's available only in ONLYOFFICE and in the Spreadsheet editor. Well, to show what this feature is, I need to share the document. For example, at first, I will share it with full access. Copy. Well, just mention that you are collaborating on a document with your partner, and both of you need to filter data. For example, I need to do that. And all the changes will be applied to the source table. So that's why it's a bit uncomfortable to work in this mode, because all data is mixed. That's why we can share the table with custom filter level access. Let copy. Sharing a table with custom access level allows users to work on a table using all available editing features, but changes made in the filter will not be applied to the source table. So you can see the source table didn't change. And when you make changes, filter changes in this table, they will not be saved in the document. So custom filter allows you to hide the data you don't want to show. And the global filter and data feature remains able for users with full access level. Okay, now let's move to the next section and watch and see what's new in the portal. And we will start with the settings. In the modules and tools section, you will be able to select mail, talk, and calendar add-ons as the default start page. In the integration section, you will be able to connect your Telegram account to receive portal notifications via Telegram. Okay, now we'll move to the documents module, and on the example of this module, we will see another updates. Let's start with the changes which were made in the context menu. As you can see, options were divided into sections and icons were added. In addition to that, we added new options to the context menu, for example, copy external link, sign with DocSign, and mark as favorite. In the CRM modules, there will be an option to make a VoIP call if your Twilio account is connected. And another implement is added to areas for scrolling when working in the full width mode. There is a navigation area where we can see all the folders and settings, and contact area where we can see the documents and folders itself. And in the mail module, we can see mails and clients list in the CRM module. So we can scroll them separately. Okay, in the navigation panel, two folders were added, favorites and recent. Favorites folder contains all the favorite files. So you can add the document to the favorites folder using the Mark as Favorite option from the context menu. When we open the context menu in the favorites folder, we can use the Open Location option to see the folder where this file is stored. Okay, recent folder contains all documents you opened in the ONLYOFFICE editors. Both folders are not available for guests, and both folders can be shown or hidden in the settings. So you can turn off display favorites and display recent options to hide the folders and turn on to display them again. The settings of the Documents module have been divided into Common and Admin. And starting from the version 11.0, if administrators turn off the option to allow users to connect third-party storages, they will not be able to connect third-party storages as well. Starting from version 11.0, you can connect K Drive storage to the portal. And you can also follow the links right from the portal to download desktop and mobile applications. Okay, we also announced that the WebP format is now supported on the portal, so we can open images and watch them on the portal. Okay, and some changes were made in the ONLYOFFICE editor's interface. Well, the first one is when you click the ONLYOFFICE logo, you will be directed to the default portal page, not to the ONLYOFFICE website as it was earlier. And there were added translations for EasyBib and WordPress plugins, so that menu will be displayed on the language of the portal interface. So they were all updates, and this is the end of my presentation. We overviewed the main implements available in the new version of ONLYOFFICE collaboration platform. And now I'm ready to answer your questions. And I think we'll start with the questions which were asked during the registration. There are a couple of them. Well, the first question was about force save feature. Well, by default, when you are working on a document, all your changes are saved to the editor's cache, and they apply to the document only after it was closed by all the users who is collaborating on the document. To save changes directly to the storage, you can enable the force save option by turning off the keep intermediate versions when editing option, which is available in the common settings of the Documents module. And another question was needing to better understand the product. Well, this webinar is designed to show you the implements, the latest updates of the collaboration platform. If you need a demonstration of how to work in all modules of the portal, or you can order the overview demonstration. It's free. Or if you need a more detailed presentation with the description of functionality of a concrete module or a feature, we can offer you a special learning course or presentation on the paid basis. So you can always contact our support team at support@onlyoffice.com, and our managers will be glad to help you. Well, is there any other questions? No.
Okay, So my mic button was unavailable during the slides. Sorry. There are actually no questions currently in the chat, which is a bit disappointing. But you still have a chance to ask them, because tomorrow we are having our Q&A session to answer all your questions from this web week, which you asked during our social media days or during or after all the other entries. So yeah, it's gonna take place tomorrow after a presentation by our quality assurance team who will tell you about how quality control works in open source projects. Again, it's gonna be 12 UTC. So thank you so much for your attention, and see you tomorrow, I guess. Thank you.
Thank you.